How's it going today, fellas? Welcome back to another good old Facebook market page addiction. I mean, yeah, we're checking out some more good old Toyota pickups. I mean, dude, this one's already listed 15 grand. And like, are these people freaking delusional, or like, is it really worth 15 grand? I mean, it was literally listed a day ago on Trail BC. Like, bro, come on. 15 grand for this. And how old is it? From 2004. So we're looking at 21 years old. And this one's already been driven 300,000 kilometers. Like, holy freaking A. I mean, it's on a manual, don't get me wrong. Manuals are freaking expensive and they're rare. But buds, 15 grand? It's like buddy smoked a crack pipe and he's like, oh yeah, I'm gonna sell it for 15 grand. It's like, nah, dude, what the fuck are you on about, bro? Like, chill out. Take a chill pill, sit down, relax, and like, oh yeah, that's the same with you fellas. Grab your popcorn, grab your drinks, or grab whatever snacky snacks you gotta get with. Buddy, we're just gonna sit back, relax, and just diss on these freaking overpriced Toyota pickups. And then, my goodness, I just don't even know what to say about them half the time. Like, freaking A, buddy. First up here, we got a 2004 Toyota Tacoma TRD, immaculate condition truck, 300,000 kilometers. It comes with 2 sets of tires and rims. I'm the second owner, headache rack, not included, hidden information. Oh really? So try and get 15k out of that. Like, buddy, you sure you ain't smoking something? You're like, I'm gonna give 15k, or you're not sure you're injecting yourself? Like, come on, buddy, what the fuck is going on? But like, look at the tread on this. The tread looks like it's gonna need to be replaced soon. But I mean, another with 2 sets of tires on it. Like, is it like full 4th set, or like, what's going on, buddy? What are you smoking with, huh? Like, buddy, like, come on. Some Gramps really did take some good care of it, I will say about that. Maybe you are Gramps, maybe you aren't. But I mean, manual transmission, clean interior, freaking seats are phenomenal. Even the back seats, holy freaking, it's like you actually never had kids back there, anyone, but play baseball, so that tells me something. Oh my god, I don't even want to know. You baseball lovers, a little wackadoo, you know, eh? Freaking A, buds. I mean, 15 grand for this? Oh god, 300,000 kilometers on a manual transmission? Absolutely not, buddy. Or I don't know, the ching ching chong for it, or what are you guys rocking with, more as in to say? Or would you rather buy this 1985 Toyota regular cab deluxe short bed going for 10,500? And buddy, this thing's looking beautiful. Look at this freaking exoskeleton cage on it with a nice little fatty light bar up front. And dude, look at that freaking flex front solid axle on there too. This guy, nothing, he doesn't even show anything of flex like that, or not even down below if it's like solid axle or just independent suspension still. I mean, dude's cooking with like what, 1 2 3 4 5 miles for say. Really listed a day ago in Merlin OR. I mean, in reality, like, it's a manual transmission. It's got some beautiful freaking flex on a solid axle. Like, what is he rocking with? 40-inch tires on this thing? Oh, look at the freaking attention to detail on this exoskeleton cage. And you fellas know, once you do something like that, oh buddy, good luck getting that glass out, you know. Oh my goodness. And he's only wanting $10,500 for this, but I mean, like, yeah, I get it. 22R fresh, recently gone through with ice cam. Ooh, really? Got propane conversion, runs amazing, front and rear. Wait, what? Front and rear rock assault. Okay, he's got a lot cooking. Fine bead locks, brand new 40-inch patties at MT02, have less than 100 miles on him. Clean Nevada title. Dude, if this thing's freaking clean, you can probably get away with like finding some cheap freaking, I don't know, insurance company to just, you know, let you drive it still on the road as is until you get pulled over for something. I don't know, or maybe it's fine, you're just being more safe, more as in to say, because I've seen worse builds on the road and they are just go for days on end. Hey, come on now, come to reality. Propane running, freaking looking phenomenal. You got some bucket seats, got a little nice good little long stick shift to play with when you're stuck in traffic. Just wiggle that little stick around, help you remind you of Big Chungus, you know, more as in to say. Holy freaking A. I mean, that's a good bang for your buck. Now, or would you rather own a 2003 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner pickup, 4-door 5-foot bed, and going for $9,500? I mean, dude, freaking white all the way around. And what the is going on here? Got some paint peeling away, eh, buds? Oh yeah. Hey, wait, who the fuck's this, bro? Is this you? You got a wacky old bush on your head, my guy. Haven't been collecting that from the old lady, eh? I mean, this thing's looking freaking beautiful, though. I mean, yeah, only driven 150,000 miles on an automatic transmission. Interesting. Oh no, he's one of those guys. Look. He literally says, lots work done to it. It can't fit it all on here. Message me only if you're serious, not 4-wheel drive. Lots of work done, and it's not with 4-wheel drive, and you're trying to get how much macaroonies out of this? $9,500. I mean, bro, That seems pretty realistic, but for a non four-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma, what the kind of shit is going on here? Why is this thing not four-wheel drive? Like, I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks freaking immaculate though, bro. It looks immaculate with your little bush on your head, you know? Holy. Oh yeah, I could haul a golf cart around. That's about it with a little practice buccaneer, eh? Yeah, a little fancy golf cart being princess, eh? I mean, dude, the sad part about it, it's an automatic transmission. That's nutty sad. What the fuck is this shit that you're doing? Dude, this trailer looks like it's been through torture with you. I mean, it doesn't look too shabby. You're trying to get $9,500 and you don't even show the engine bay. Same with this guy. He doesn't even show the engine bay. Doesn't show that. He shows a bit of the interior. That's about it. This guy, not even the engine bay. Like, dude, what the fuck are these prices? If you're going to ask these prices, show us everything. Like, come on, you little macaroonies. Like, come on, bro. Say with you and the bush on your head. Like, fucking A, buds. You know, it looks like you got a little goatee going down. Or, like, you mustache and you got those, like, sideburns going down. I don't know. Oh, my goodness. I mean, hey, you're the one that posted it on here, so that's on you, bro. Or would you rather own this 2021 Toyota Tacoma double cab SR5 pickup, 4-door, 5-foot, going for 28 grand? 28 grand, and you're only, and like, dude, this better be some good spicy picks for it. Are you going to show us that little sexy engine bay? You're going to show us a little tip slip, like a little nitty pick slip, or not at all? I mean, hold up here. It was literally listed a day ago in Folsom, CA. Wait, how many days ago was this? Literally listed a day ago in Lakeland, FL. So Florida, eh? Down in America. Only 53,000 miles on an automatic transmission. Yeesh, buddy. Holy freaking A. 7 grand under Blue Book. Wait, what? 50,000 miles? It's got a 3.6 liter motor with a 4-wheel drive, 17-inch fuel alloy wheels, Cooper mud tires, only $1,200, 2-inch lift, technology packages, ABS brakes, traction control, active cruise control, electronically stabled, and control lane assist. Oh, really? Sensors, low tire pressure warning, remote keyless entry. Oh, really? Certified rebuilt title. Rebuilt title. Oh, now that's a little touchy there. Work professionally done, oil just changed. Great deal. I mean, shit. Wait, are you in California? Is that what I'm assuming from the CA, California? But 28 grand for this on a rebuilt title. Dude, that's so. Dude. Yeah, California, eh? California. Oh, freaking A. I mean, not too bad. I mean, he's got a good fucking amount of tread on his tires. Like, doesn't even show us anything of the engine bay, which kind of low-key just sucks, but I mean, I guess it is what it is, more as in to say. Doesn't even show underneath, doesn't show the engine bay, but I mean, if it's from Cali, it's gotta be freaking good. I mean, you got 4 banger options out of these 4 options, but 15 grand, you gotta be smoking something good. 28 grand, I think it's kind of reasonable with 53,000 miles on an automatic transmission. This guy, you're also smoking something. Literally explains a lot from the bush on your head, you know, eh? Or this guy. I mean, I feel like this one's going to be the best bang for your buck. You get a full skeleton cage on it, front solid axle, running on propane, and dude, this thing's just nutty-o nut, you know? Freaking A. It's like you want to give a good old jerk towards it. I mean, I don't want to jerk it towards this, but nor this, especially that bush on his head. Yeesh. But this, yeah, I would consider jerking it towards this, but this, oh, fucking A, buddy, I'd rock and roll with this all day fucking long. Best bang for your buck, literally the cheapest, and yeah, it's only got $10,500 worth of a so-called value, but bro, come on, Emmanuel, propane, and compared to the rest, no, to the rest, I'm going to be rocking with this. I don't know, fellas. What's 4 banger options, so-called? Which one would you choose? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next.